In this short video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to convert a video into a ringtone and set it as your iPhone's personalized sound. Tired of the same old ringtones? Let's add a unique touch to your iPhone with a video-based ringtone. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate iPhone settings and optimize their device's functionality. Today, we'll focus on customizing your ringtone. Stay with me until the end to discover how to install needed apps on your iPhone. Now, let's get started on how to make any video sound your ringtone on iPhone. To start, ensure you have GarageBand and a video converter app like Video Converter installed on your iPhone. Use the Video Converter app to extract the audio from your desired video and save it to your iPhone. Open the audio file in GarageBand. Then edit the audio to your desired length. Next, export the edited audio file as a ringtone. Finally, go to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Then tap Ringtone and select the custom ringtone. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to convert a video into a ringtone. Remember, the length of the video will affect the ringtone's duration, so ensure it's within the 30-second limit. Also, the quality of the extracted audio will impact the final ringtone. So, choose high-quality videos for the best results. But what if you can't find the GarageBand app on your iPhone? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to install apps on an iPhone. Tap to watch it after this. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Click this card to explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.